Okay, so this is how you're going to make the copy. So when you click on this, you just have to have it highlighted. Don't open it, just click that. Then you'll click these 3 little dots up here and click Make a Copy. Okay, it takes a few minutes, but then the copy will be created and you should be able to open it once that happens. Okay, or it might open automatically. So then it's loading. Then you'll open your copy. Once your copy opens, up here you're going to delete where it says copy of, and you're going to put your first and last name. Okay. Now it will be saved in your Google Drive so you know where to find it or how to find it because that's what it's titled. Okay. So now you have your own copy. This is the edit mode, so if you need to type in here or anything like that, you can. The next step is to publish it to me and to share it with me. So first you're going to click publish, and it's going to want you to put in something to call it. So you can just put your first and last name or middle initial or something like that. And mine's already been taken, so that's why it says that. And then you'll click publish. Okay. So once that's done, whoops, I actually have to publish it. Hold on to show you. So see if it lets me now. There we go. So once you publish it, it'll say publishing. Now you'll notice you have this little arrow option, okay? And this is how you're going to share your site with me. But first you have to add me to it so I can see it. So if you click this little plus person, you can just type in my name, okay? Whoops. And then click save, and then you'll be good to go. Then I will be able to see it. Okay, then you're going to go to this little drop down arrow and you're going to click view published site. So now it's going to open in a whole nother tab. And this is the published view, not the edited view. So you can't edit anything in here, but this is the link that I need you to share with me. So now you're going to copy this, okay? And then back in Schoology, in that Ebinder folder, I have the Google form. And you're going to paste that link into the Google form. So if you go to where it says Europe Ebinder, you'll see it says second hour Google form. That will pop open. You'll put your first and last name here, and then you'll just paste, whoops. It doesn't like me. I'll try it again. Maybe I didn't copy it all the way. Control C. There we go. Okay, so then you'll just paste your link to the published one in there and click submit. Okay, then you no longer need that published one, so the one that you can't edit, I can't type in here, so you can just X out of that. But this is the one that you're going to want to work in because you can actually edit it. I just need the published one in order to be able to view it. So you can type things in and all that good stuff, and then when you're done for the day, just make sure you click publish, and it will say, do you want to publish the changes you made? I didn't make any changes, so it's wondering why I did that. But normally it would be like, oh, do you want to publish the changes you made? And you would just click publish again, and then you would be good to go. Okay. So that's how you make the copy. That's how you share it with me. If you need to go back through the video and pause it to be able to do things, that's fine too.